Guys, it's Tristan from Manitoba Marketing here. Hope you guys are having a good morning. Just made this quick little video here to give you guys a couple tips and tricks on how to increase your presence on Google. Um, all it's going to do is rank you higher in Google, get you more phone calls, and whether your appointment book is full or not already, it's going to help fill it up some more. So I find lots of times people just don't have the time to do all this kind of stuff, but it's really easy, pretty straightforward. And if you feel like going out and doing it all on your own, then by all means, this video is purely educational. So do what you feel is best for your guys' business with this information. But if you feel I have something to offer, then please reach back out to me and we can work something out. So I'm going to go over three things in the video. First is going to be content, and then backlinks, and then citations. So to start with content, that's just any words you guys have on your website. And on your homepage, Google prefers in the 1500 to 2000 word range. You can fill it up with any information, any physical information, like about health, anything at all, any pictures. You can save pictures as keywords, because Google crawls over your website looking for keywords to make you relevant to people's search terms, and that helps you rank organically in, well, what we call the organic rankings. So the more keywords you have and the more relevant your keywords are, the more likely you're going to show up in this first page of Google here. And that's really helpful. It's really important to be there, just so that you guys' business is getting seen all over the place. Now, you guys don't have a whole lot on your website here. It's more just of a booking uh, platform, I guess. Um, so that's okay. If you guys are interested in a website, another thing that I can do, I'm here to help. But again, Google likes as much content as possible so that you can have as many relative keywords as possible so that you guys can show up for people's search terms. The next thing I'm going to look at is backlinks. So this is a tool here I use. It's called Ahrefs. I pay for it monthly, but there are lots of backlink finder tools on Google. This is just one that gives me everything that I need to know. But anyway, as we can see here, you guys have 6 referring domains. So that's any domain that refers back to your website. And then it's giving you 26 backlinks. So then that's any link that links back to your website. You can get, as you can see here, you have more domains than backlinks. So you guys are getting like 3, 4 backlinks from each domain. So that's pretty good. But you don't have any organic keywords or any organic traffic. So you don't have any people going onto your site monthly. If we go over to reactive massage here, we can see here they've got 40 referring domains, giving them 375 backlinks. So lots of times all we'd have to do, go into all these domains, enter your business onto that website, and get them to give you a backlink. Most of the time it's free. Sometimes it might be like a one-time sponsorship kind of deal, but totally up to you where you want to put your backlinks. Keep in mind though, not all backlinks are made equal. So Google is all about popularity, but it's only about relative popularity, I guess. You have to have backlinks that are relevant to your website, and Google's just gonna crawl through your backlinks, and if you have a bunch of spammy ones that have nothing to do with massage therapy or anything to do at all with your business, then it's not going to make your website strong at all. This domain rating here, it's basically your popularity. So as we can see here, Reactive Massage only has a domain rating of 10. So that means that chances are some of these backlinks are a little bit spammy, because as we can see here, you guys have 80, a strength of 80. So all of your backlinks are very relevant. It's just that they have more and more keywords that are making them in the top spot. Last thing I'm going to look at is citations. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number listed in any directory on Google. And what citations help is to rank you in this Google Map pack. So as we can see here, you guys are only one under Reactive Massage on my screen. I have been doing a lot of research in this niche, so it's possible that my results might be a little skewed. Google sometimes shows people just what they've been looking at a lot, but if you were to go on your phone quick and search massage therapist Brandon and see where you guys rank on this Google Map pack, because as we can see here, Reactive Massage has 40 citations and you guys are just sitting at 15 there. So again, all we'd have to do, look at their citations, enter your business into all of those, and then just because they have 40 doesn't mean you have to stop at 45. You can go for 60 or 80. And all that's going to do is beat out your competition. And before they know what's going on, they won't even have time to catch up. So those are the three things that I wanted to go over. Content, Google likes, 1,500 to 2,000 words. Backlinks, they need to be strong relative backlinks. And citations, your business name, number, and address listed anywhere in any directory on Google. All those three things, it's just the easiest way to get yourself ranking higher on Google. So hopefully that's a good amount of information for you guys. Sorry for running it a bit long there. But if you have any questions, please reach out to me and hopefully be able to answer them. Thank you.